panggilan yang Encik Zul dapat tu, mungkin kadang-kadang orang fikir am I good enough to take on sudah pasti I think Encik Zul, you meet all the criteria, you meet all the checklist lah. Tapi at that moment was there ada tak fikiran macam am I good enough for this?
This bagi saya, this self-doubt is the one that spurs you on. I tell you I didn't want to become a lawyer. Tak nak that time. Sebab rasa macam it's tough job lah. Baca buku John Grisham ni semua kan. Dia kerja tak tidur satu malam. Tapi then one day my father cakap, kau pergi lah, pergi ni interview law school lah, apply lah. So okay apply. And on that day of interview pun dia macam kita baru book out daripada army kan. Dan relax lah, tidur. Dan dia kata, kau tak siap-siap kena pergi tau. Interview pukul berapa kan. Okay, akan marah dah pergi. Tak cannot afford to own a suit kan. Tak pakai suit lah, pakai macam gini, tak ada tie. So, okay lah pergi. Sekali orang yang depan tu semua, sebelah semua pakai suit lah. Pakai suit. Habis the one going before me kan, dia pakai double breasted suit dengan vest sekali pun, dengan bag. So I said, I'm not good enough. Orang semua dah belum jadi lawyer, dah step lawyer. And my first I entered Rodak and Davidson. It's the oldest law firm in Singapore. 1851 dia ada, and I was the first Malay lawyer. Itu pun I said, am I good enough? Masuk parti politik pun sama juga. Ini kita tak ada T tapi nama dia T-session tau, T-session. So one time kita pun quite curious macam I guess I'm quite a non-conformist so I always say things that against the grain. And after that T-session, I said, alamak, I berbual also very controversial and mesti diorang tak suka, I'm not good enough. For all the young people kan, yang rasa if they are not good enough, maybe you're not good enough, but you can be better tomorrow. And then other times you are not good at one thing. You don't have to be good at everything, but you must find your strength lah, and then leverage on that strength. And I think gunakan itu sebagai api yang fuel you on lah, untuk teruskan memperbaiki, teruskan finding your strength,